Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Dinah from GL, and today I decided to come here show you a little doodle for a cover page for January 2024, or any year actually. So I just wanted to show you that with three different colors, different shades of the same color, or three pens, you can do a nice cover page, and you can go from there. And you don't need to use anything special. You don't need washi tape, you don't need stickers, you don't need anything. It's really minimalistic and it's cute. And yeah, like if you had used blue and red, it would have been cute too. So you can just do the clouds in blue, the lettering in red and blue, and the rest you just alternate. So as you can see, I did a few clouds. They are just drafts of clouds with different lines. I did the January in abbreviation of the month, and I outlined it with a different color. Did a few raindrops. You can do snowflakes if you want. I didn't think about doing a snowflake. I just wanted to keep it really simple. And then I did a place for the week, days, and of the month, and I drew down a snowman, a few trees, and a couple of lines on top and down. You can also outline the whole page if you want with different color. And there you go. It's super simple. It's just a start point. And if you found bullet journaling to be intimidating or too complicated, this is just an easy way to show you that it's not that complicated and you can literally do it with whatever pens you have. You can just do simple letterings that will look super cute on the page, and you can start organizing your life in any notebook you have. I prefer dotted notebook because it gives me freedom to go and do whatever I want, but lines is fine, squares are fine, all grid books are fine. It depends what you like. So I hope this helps you to start. I'll try to post a few simple cover pages layout to give you ideas. And yeah, let me know what you think. Find me on Instagram. I have the same name, Dee.doodlez, on Instagram. So find me. Let's talk. Thank you for making it this far. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day, wonderful week, and enjoy your holiday if you have a holiday. Thank you and have a good one.